In this video, we will learn the snapshot testing. Alright, so what I will do is first I will create a component button.tsx, let's say, and like this. Apart from that, so let's say it is accepting some props, it can be a label. So like this. Let's keep it simple for now, and this will be button, and here will be the label like this. Alright. So before proceeding to write our snapshot test, let me tell you what exactly snapshot testing is. So snapshot testing is a tool in the React testing library that allows us to capture the rendered output of a React component and compare it to a saved snapshot file. First, what you will do is that you will save a snapshot file and then you will compare whether it is rendering the same way or not. So this only helps you to ensure that the UI does not change unexpectedly. Alright guys, so now what I will do is that I will write a snapshot for it, create a new file, button.test.tsx. Alright, I will delete this counter file, and here I will simply create one test case. Test renders correctly and matches the snapshot. I'm not really interested here in creating an entire test suite, so yeah, I'm just creating a test case. So what I will do is that I will render. So render will be imported from React testing library. It's not coming here, so what I will do, I will first import it. Import from testing library / React, and from here you will import the render. Alright, now I will render this, render button, label will be, let's say, my button. Okay, and what I will do, I will store this inside a variable and extract the as fragment. What is as fragment? I hover over this. See, let me tell you what exactly as fragment is. It is not coming here, so I will tell you what it is. Well, this is just the document fragment. You might have worked with React fragments, React.fragment. In the same way, this is just a document fragment, and this does not have any kind of parent, basically. Okay, like this. So as a fragment, we are capturing this. So what I'll do is that expect as fragment dot to match snapshot. Alright, will this work? Npm run test. Wait, oh sorry, not here. I have to run cd rna cd like this, npm run test. Let's see how this holds up. Okay, so as you can see, the test case is passed and one snapshot has been written. So this has created one snapshot file. See this. With this snapshot it will be compared. So you see this document fragment. Okay, and here you can see that one snapshot written, and the snapshot summary is this, that one snapshot written from one test suite. Okay, so We saw that after running the test, Jest library created a snapshot. Now, how to manage your snapshot files? You can name your snapshot files as well. So what I'll do is that I'll simply pass, let's say, button with click me label. If I run this, okay, so first I will have to run this command. Okay, npm test minus 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 0. What that command does is that our output is changing intentionally. Okay, we are intentionally changing the output, or we are just providing custom name. So in order to do that, we first remove the snapshot and let's create a snapshot again, and it has passed. So snapshots one passed. As you can see, this is the custom name now given to our snapshot, the button with click me label. That is how you can give the custom names to a snapshot as well. Okay, so guys, that is how you can work with the snapshot testing in the React.js. Okay, that's all about actually testing your React.js applications. All right, now this is all actually the the foundation of how you can test your React.js applications. There can be so many things like you're doing any kind of API call inside a function or whatever. We already saw how to handle the asynchronous code, so in the same way you can do that as well. Okay, like you can use the asynchronous function, and then you can render your component first and you see whether the output is coming like that or not. Anyway, you can try that. In case if there is any doubt, you can always ask. Alright guys, thank you, and we'll meet you in the next module.